across Africa, animal skin hides have played a powerful role in traditional life. From royal palaces to village compounds, leather and animal hides have been used for generations. These materials are not just clothing, they carry meaning, status, identity, and ancestral pride. In many communities, hides from cows, goats, antelopes, and even wild animals are used to make robes, skirts, shoes, bags, and ceremonial items. From spiritual use to high-end runways, and from artisan workshops to international fashion shows, animal skin fashion in Africa is more than a look, it's a legacy. Please subscribe if you love content that showcases Africa's rich traditions and creative brilliance. Thank you and God bless.